How to fix Microsoft Word not responding. Firstly, restart the MS Word app. By that I mean, if you have the app open, then fully close the app. Once you close the app, then open it again. Now give your device a quick restart. Sometimes minor issues like this can get fixed with a simple restart. After restarting your device, open the MS Word to see if it opens or not. You can also try to open your MS Word through safe mode. For that, press the Window key and R key on your keyboard to start a run dialog. In the run dialog, you simply need to type in winword \safe. By doing this much only, your MS Word will open but in safe mode. Now at the top left corner, click on File, select the blank document, and now you can start typing the documentation. If you have any type of add-ins on your app, then disable those. For that, firstly open MS Word on your device, open a blank document and click on File at the top. On the left panel at the bottom, you should see Options, click on that. Again from the left panel at the bottom, click on Add-ins. At the very bottom, you should see the Manage section. Make sure that you have selected COM add-ins. Now click on Go. If you have many type of add-ins right here, then simply uncheck those and click on OK. That's all for today. Thank you.